Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode 76 of Think in English, the podcast. I'm Lily, and today we're talking about something super useful, how to remember new English words. Have you ever learned a word like apple and then forgotten it the next day? It happens to all of us. But don't worry, my friend Ben is here with me, and we're going to share some easy tips to help you remember better. Hi, Lily. Hi, listeners.
Yeah, remembering words can be tricky at first, but it's like riding a bike. Once you get the hang of it, it gets easier. I'm Ben, and I'm excited to chat about this. Lily, remember when we were beginners? I forgot hello once. Okay, not really, but close.
Ben, that's funny. Okay, let's start. For our beginner friends at A1 or A2 level, we want to keep it simple. First tip, repeat, repeat, repeat. When you learn a new word, say it out loud many times. Like if the word is happy, say happy, happy, happy. It sticks in your brain.
Totally. I do that with my coffee in the morning. Coffee, hot, black, delicious. Say it 3 times and boom, you remember. But don't just say it alone, use it in a sentence. I am happy because I have coffee. That way, it's not just a word, it's part of your life.
Great idea, Ben. Sentences make words real. Okay, next, pictures. Draw or think of a picture for the word. For cat, imagine a fluffy cat on your lap. Your brain loves pictures more than just letters.
Yes, I'm not a good artist, but even a stick cat works. Or use your phone, find a photo online. Dog, picture your neighbor's cute puppy. It helps so much. And hey, what about flashcards? You can make simple cards. One side, the word in English, other side, the meaning in your language or a picture.
Flashcards are awesome for beginners. Flip them every day. Morning, noon, night, just 5 minutes. Hello on one side, privet on the other if you're from Kazakhstan, like some of our listeners. But try to think in English more.
Right, Lily. And apps. There are free apps like Duolingo or Quizlet. They make games out of words. You match, you win points. It's fun, not boring homework.
Exactly. Fun is key. If it's fun, you remember better. Another tip, connect new words to old ones. Like big is like bolshoi in Russian. Sounds a bit similar. Or make a story. The big cat is happy in the house. Link them together.
Stories are magic. I made one. The happy bird flies over the big mountain. Now I remember bird, flies, mountain. Silly stories work best. Try it, friends.
Your stories are always silly, Ben. Okay, music. Sing words in a song. Change a kid's song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Happy, sad, big, small. It rhymes and sticks.
Love that. Or listen to English songs and look up words. Hello by Adele. Easy words, great practice. Pause and repeat.
Good one. Now talk to people. Use new words with friends or family. Today, I feel happy. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Mistakes help you learn.
Absolutely. I talk to my mirror. Hi, Ben, you look happy today. Practice alone first, then with others. And write. Write words in a notebook. My happy day. I saw a cat.
Writing is powerful. Do it every day. Just one page. Mix new and old words.
Yeah, in groups. Join English clubs online. Share words, help each other remember.
Perfect. Don't forget rest. Sleep helps your brain remember. Learn words, then sleep.
True, no all-nighters. Okay, let's think about hard words. Break them. Beautiful. Beautiful. Say parts slow.
Yes, and find friends for words. Happy friends, joy, smile. Learn families.
Families, like food. Apple, banana, orange. Shop and say them.
Shopping practice, fun. Use labels at home. Stick door on door.
Genius. My fridge says fridge. Now apps again. Anki for spaced repetition. It shows words when you might forget.
Spaced what? Oh, it means review at right times. Smart.
Yep. For A1, A2, start small, 5 words a day, not 50.
Small steps win. Be patient. You're doing great.
Totally. Mix methods. Repeat, pictures, sentences, apps, talk, write.
And track progress. I remembered 10 words this week. Celebrate.
Ice cream for rewards.
Okay, now real story. I forgot umbrella. Rained, got wet. Now I say umbrella daily.
Me too. Library. Went to the wrong place. Now picture books everywhere.
Stories help. Try with colors. Red apple makes me happy.
Or animals. The happy dog chases the cat.
Chase, new word. Remember, picture dog running.
Yes. Emotions. Tie words to feelings. Happy when you win game.
Feelings stick. Weather, sunny day, happy.
Rainy. Umbrella.
Food, eat and say, delicious pizza.
Yummy. Travel words. Bus. Go home.
Everyday life, work words, computer, type. Simple.
Hobby. Read book. Happy.
Books build words. Read kids' books.
Easy stories. No hard ones first.
TV. Watch cartoons. Repeat words.
Cartoons fun. SpongeBob SquarePants. Silly words.
Pants. New. Picture yellow sponge.
Yes. Games. Word search puzzles.
Puzzles great. Or bingo with words.
Bingo. I have happy. Bingo.
Win. Friends. Teach word to friend.
Teaching helps remember.
True. Review weekly. Old words too.
Mix old new.
Motivation. Why learn? Travel, job, fun.
Fun most.
Yes. Challenges. Set learn 5 animals.
Cat, dog, bird, fish, elephant.
Elephant, big.
Picture trunk.
Trunk, new. Tree trunk too.
Same word, different mean. Context.
Context, important. Sentence shows mean.
Right, don't translate always. Think English.
Build habit.
Habit key.
Now hard sounds. Practice tongue twisters, like she sells seashells.
Slow first.
Helps memory.
Yes.
Record yourself. Hear mistakes.
Phone record easy.
Listen later.
Improve fast.
Partner. Find study buddy.
Buddy friend.
Chat daily.
Apps for buddies.
Like tandem. Free.
Start today.
Small.
Consistent.
Every day.
5 minutes.
Grow.
2 hours.
Confident.
Proud.
You can.
We believe.
Okay, friends, let's wrap up. Today we talked about easy ways to remember new English words. Repeat them out loud, use in sentences, draw pictures, make flashcards, try apps like Duolingo, connect to stories or songs, talk to people, write them down, and practice every day with fun things like games or labels at home. We also said break hard words, learn word families, tie to feelings, and review often. Start small, be patient, and celebrate your wins.
Yes, keep practicing these tips. You'll see, words will stick like glue. Try one new word today. You're amazing for learning English. See you next episode.
Bye, everyone. Think in English.